Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done a Ford Transit 2016-17 with a HALO Mini. Customer had another immobiliser, just tag based, and he was struggling with it because the tag failed, had a valid button, he couldn't find it. And also this one hasn't got cruise control, so it's quite limited in the CAN bus immobiliser you can fit, but obviously the HALO works. So how the system works, as soon as the customer jumps out of the vehicle, system is now armed. Every time he jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, insert his code on here. We've done something very basic which we're going to change, so tap 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 tap, there you go, indicator flash, start the vehicle. Really simple. So as soon as he leaves the vehicle, there you go, system is armed. If I try and start it, it just won't start. So your foot on the clutch, it just won't start. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, insert the code which we're going to change, flash, and then start the vehicle. Now if the customer wanted to change the code or place it in valid mode, the way they'll place it in valid mode, so let's just open the door so it arms. So this time main ignition on, insert the code, and then on the last press hold it, so tap 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 tap. You'll get a flash to say it's disarmed, then hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, vehicle dependent, and then we'll get confirmation flashes to tell you it's going into valid mode. There you go. See, it's gone into valid mode, so as soon as I open the door, no flash, jump in, start the vehicle, vehicle starts. Not dependent upon speed. When they get the vehicle back, as I said, main ignition on, put the code in and then hold it, so tap 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 tap. Notice there's no flash because it's covert, obviously it's in valid mode, but it's going to jump out of valid mode now. So if you watch carefully, there you go, jumped out of valid mode. Turn off the ignition, open the door, system is armed, try and start it, won't start. Okay, now finally, if we want to change the code, this is also very simple, and the way you do that is main ignition on, pass authorization, so tap 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 tap, disarmed, then tap the accelerator, obviously with the vehicle not running, 10 times down to the floor. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We're at learn mode, so we're just going to change the code just to show you how to change it. So tap 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 tap, within 5 seconds turn off the ignition. We've got a flash, it's confirmed it's armed. So I say it's learned. If I now try and start it, it won't start. Ignition on, try the old code, that doesn't work. Ignition off, ignition on, try the new code, tap 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 tap, new code learned, start the vehicle. As I said, this is the HALO Mini. My name's Otto. As you see, it hasn't got the cruise control button, so it's limited. Can't do it with certain CAN bus immobilisers, and obviously the tag failed on the other immobiliser, so we fitted this. If you want one fitted, my name's Otto. Give us a call on 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.